Monoclonal antibody production. Hybridoma technology is used for the production of large number of monoclonal antibody against a particular antigen. This monoclonal antibody mainly used for to treat cancer, anti-snake and bee venom. Monoclonal antibody produced by plasma cells. Why monoclonal antibody? We will produce why. What is the need of hybridoma technology? Whenever pathogen entered to human body, our immune system was activated. After that, it will produce the B cells. B cells activated and converted into plasma cells. These plasma cells secreted antibody against a particular type of antigen. So, we will take this antigen can be cultured in artificial medium, but only disadvantage is it have very short lifetime, few week to few month. That reason only we need a hybridoma technology. Monoclonal antibody production. Here we need two different type of cell. First one is we will take the particular antigen, we will inject it into animals. After that it will produce that particular type of antibody. Remove that spleen part because it is a secondary lymphoid organ. Second type of cell, we will take myeloma cell, that means cancer cell. Cancer cell we know immortal in nature, so we will fuse this plasma cell as well as this cancer cell. So as a result it will produce the antibodies in immortal in nature. This one is plasma cell, this one is the myeloma immortal cell. So by using hybridoma technology we will produce thus monoclonal antibodies. Why we are selecting that two different type of cell means this spleen cell having antibody as well as HGPRT positive, hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribacil transferase. This have enzyme, this enzyme HGPRT enzyme. This enzyme mainly responsible for protein synthesis. Why we are selecting myeloma cell means it have immortal in nature. So this one having antibodies as well as used for protein synthesis. This one for having long time. That reason only we are selecting two different type of cells. Now after purification of the plasma cell, we will fuse it with myeloma cell. Fusion carried out presence of polyethylene glycol. This one is the plasma cell. It having Ig means immunoglobulin antibodies, HGBRT positive. This one Ig plus HGBRT negative. Both cell we will carry out presence of polyethylene glycol. Fusion occur here only. So 5 different chances is there. It will produce 5 different type of cells. First one is fused plasma cells. This one HGPRT positive. The second one is unfused myeloma cell, unfused cell. Myeloma cell means it give immortal in nature but no antibodies. This one HGBRT negative. Third one is fused myeloma cell. Here also no antibody, HGPRT negative only. Plasma cell only having HGPRT positive. Myeloma cell negative only. Here fourth one is unfused plasma cell, HGPRT positive, but it will produce the own antibody against the antigen. So here after that further selection process we are using HAT medium. Cells don't have HGPRT means won't grow in HAT medium, hypoxanthine aminopectin thymidine medium. Minus means it won't grow in this medium. So these both having HGPRT positive but these don't have any myeloma cell. So it will grow in this medium but very short time. After short time automatically it will die few weeks. So further only one chances is the hybridoma cells. It have no time period. Keep grow on HAT medium, no limited time. By this way only hybridoma selected and continuously used for monoclonal antibody production.